ask hubby to help with household chores. He's a typical Rajasthani man who feels it's girl's job, not his job. His job is only to earn. If he does agree to do something, make sure you praise him sky high so that he starts to feel good about wanting to help you. It's always how he feels when you are asking him to do the work. Annie, I think the most important thing to understand is that he's coming from that mindset. When we disrespect someone's belief system, they go into a defensive mode and they shut down. So the very important thing for you to, when you sit down to talk to him, is to seed ideas. Let him know that what you think may be absolutely right in a normal world, but right now the world is not normal. Tomorrow if he went through a financial crunch and you had to earn, would it be okay for you to do that to help him? And today, if you are suffering because you can't have any part-timers coming home, is it okay for him to help you? Because isn't this relationship of marriage meant to be there for one another when the other person needs you? So instead of making him defensive around, don't you know that these days these gender roles don't exist and all of that? Like, I can totally imagine my dad not being of great help to my mom no matter what she's going through, because he comes from that old school, right? So always I think it's a struggle for mom to get my dad to show up in a manner. Yes, he won't trouble her on those days, but he won't even go and help her too much, I think if he does go into the kitchen, mom will also check him out because he won't know half the time what to do. So I'd love for you to, Annie, for you to start to explore the option of bringing him on board slowly and steadily. 3 things I want you to do. 1, when you speak about this, make sure you don't land up fighting. Otherwise, he will just stick to his point of view out of ego. Okay? So smile a lot, convey it one day, then back off. Convey it a second day, then back off. It's all about layering the concept. You are how a farmer works with his land to grow a plant? You are working with the land of his mind. Okay? That's 1. Secondly, when you do ask him to do something for you, make sure that you reward him. Reward him through appreciation, reward him through, what we'll end up doing a lot of times is, let's say we asked him to take out the kachra from the house or the dustbin. And he takes out half and he leaves half. We'll be like, one work we gave you and that also you couldn't do properly. Okay? So what have we just done? We have put apne pav pe hi kulhadi. Why? Because instead of encouraging the man, we've discouraged him, which is what a lot of us are doing. So Annie, be very careful that if he does agree to do something, make sure you praise him sky high so that he starts to feel good about wanting to help you. And the more you will encourage him, the more it's always how he feels when you are asking him to do the work. If he's feeling like he's not up to the mark, or he's not helping you, or he's feeling anything negative, the chances are he won't help you. If you can somehow turn that whole situation into a space where he starts to feel like helping her will make her happier, will make this relationship better, we will have so much fun together, something like that. If you can go down that road, not easy but possible. Today I can tell you, in my house, my husband orders all the food. One of the things I dislike doing is ordering the next meal, especially when I'm eating lunch. Don't come and ask me what to make for dinner. I've given them a menu, I've given them a chart. I say just follow, don't ask me. But Puneet likes to order the food. So I said, you know what, why don't you take over this? So there are a few things he does in the house, there are a few things I do in the house. So if you came to our house, I think if my children had to see, they'll be able to tell you that really house is run equally by both the parents. And the same is with work. Puneet and I are equal at work and equal in the house. So we actually don't have gender roles in our house, almost none. But it hasn't happened overnight. It has happened because I started to get busy with work. If I was just sitting at home and not doing anything else, then I would rather run the house myself. And yes, it's totally okay to request the man in a few things, and maybe you can sit down and create a habit tracker or a sheet where you can ask him that, okay, let's see if for 30 days you're able to do this with me. Write down 3 things you want me to do. I'll write down 3 things I want you to do, and let's see if both of us are able to do. Turn it into fun, turn it into a game, make it a play. Is it going to work right in the beginning? 100% no. But you know what? No is the first step to yes. So when you get your no, you should smile inside and go, आ गया, no तो आ गया, वो तो पूजा ने बोला ही था. अब देखते हैं where does it go from here. So it will go from no to maybe, we'll see, and then it can slowly move into a yes.